crispy on top, soft inside, a homemade focaccia with a healthier twist. Unhurried to make, big payoff at the table. You'll find the full ingredient list in the video description. I like having everything ready before we start. In a large bowl, I mix water, sugar, salt and yeast. I set it somewhere warm for 15 minutes to wake it up. In goes olive oil. That little splash changes the flavor and the crust. I gradually add sifted flour and start kneading. I'm using Spelt today. A bit lighter and less fluffy than wheat, but wonderfully wholesome. If you enjoy baking bread at home, tell me in the comments. I'll share more cozy loaves like this. The dough will stick to your hands, and that's how it should be. I cover it and let it rest warm for 1 hour. After an hour, I wet my hands and fold the edges toward the center. Cover again and repeat 3 to 4 times every hour. My favorite rhythm of the day. The dough rises while I tidy the kitchen. Calm, warm, slow. By the third fold, you'll see bubbles forming, a sign the yeast is doing its job. No time for folds. Oil the dough, cover it, and cold proof in the fridge for at least 12 hours. I oil the baking pan so nothing sticks. The dough goes into the pan, I cover it, and let it rise another 40 to 50 minutes. Got a focaccia trick of your own? Share it below. I love reading your tips. With oily fingertips, I dimple the risen dough. If I have extras, I decorate. Cherry tomatoes, olives, rosemary, onion, parsley. I like arranging the toppings like a tiny picture. Green herbs, red tomatoes, golden oil. And between them, those little dimples help the focaccia breathe and bake up crisp. I bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 to 40 minutes until nicely browned. While it bakes, the kitchen smells like a little Italian bakery. Everyone starts peeking into the oven. All done. Straight from the oven, crisp and fragrant. Best with good olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. Thanks for baking with me today. Tap subscribe and leave a heart. It tells me you're here for more cozy bakes.